Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check FPS on iPhone. The good news is that most of your viewers aren't going to notice the difference between 4K and 1080p footage. Think of 4K as a tool that can help you in the editing process. So, instead of shooting 4K for every shot, only use it when you want to capture as much detail as possible, or when you plan to drastically crop your shot for close-ups. Enabling 4K video on your iPhone is easy. First, open the camera app. Switch the camera mode to video. And look to the corner of your screen. If you're shooting in 1080p, you'll see an HD level. Just tap HD to switch to 4K video. For best image, shoot 4K at 24 FPS. We'll get into FPS next. It's the highest resolution available on iPhones, and you'll get lots of detail in the image. For faster workflow, shoot HD most of the time for high-quality video that saves on storage. Then, bump it up to 4K if you plan to do heavy editing later. Frame rate settings. Your frame rate, also called frames per second or FPS, refers to how many images are displayed in each second of video. Your frame rate settings can change the look of your video, though not necessarily the quality. 24 FPS is the film industry standard for frame rate and is typically used in movies. 30 FPS is what you probably see most often. It's the default settings for lots of devices and cameras, and it creates a natural motion blur. 60 FPS offers a super crisp experience for viewers, but it can look a bit unnatural. You can quickly and easily change your frame rate settings in the camera app. When you're in the video mode, just tap the number displayed next to the resolution, depending on your phone and version of the camera app. There will be different options for FPS. iPhones also let you shoot HD slow motion in either 120 or 240 FPS. Just keep in mind that you'll see a significant drop in video quality, so I recommended only using this mode to shoot some eye-catching B-roll. For best image quality, shoot in 4K and 24 FPS. Your video will have a cinematic look viewers love with better low light performance. For faster workflow, stick to 30 FPS for most of your video shooting. Go with 60 FPS and up if you're capturing action or sports, and 24 FPS if you're feeling Hollywood. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.